In this series, I'm turning a 2006 Yamaha TW200, which came to me in pieces, into a retro cafe scrambler. I fixed up a lot of older bikes, but with this project, I wanted to get creative without breaking the bank. There's gonna be some trial and error, but hopefully it will encourage you budget builders to go for it. Because if I can do it, you can too. Hey, this is Josh. This is our motorcycle series. And today I've got this rear shock off of a TW200 dirt bike, but it's gonna be the same for any mono shock. And I'm gonna show you how to install this spring. I'm going to be installing the spring, but it's the same exact process to remove the spring. And I'm going to do it without the use of an expensive spring compressor. I'm just going to use basic stuff I have around the garage. Okay, so I'm going to slide the spring over. And before I put it on the jack, I'm actually going to put the tail end of a ratchet strap, not through the over the top, but right the second loop. I'm going to put the second strap on the opposite side. Now I can put it on my, got a little pad there just to keep it from scratching the paint. Just hook it onto this wheel. Doesn't really matter, you just want a nice secure spot, something like that. So that's obviously putting pressure this way. So now I want opposing pressure with this strap. I'm just going to hook to the front, loop it back through the hole. Vice grips. I'm still going to have to stabilize it this way with my hand, but I want everything as straight as possible. Don't forget, contents under pressure. Put on your safety glasses. I'm going to work the washers up. If you had some help, this would be easier. I'm just going to stick that there to hold those washers up. Okay, once I get high enough up, I can actually use the retaining ring to hold up these washers. So I'm going to let the jack down as I guide it in, make sure it all settles right. There we go. And we just remove the straps. Alright, so there we go. The spring is on. And I didn't have to buy any expensive tools. Just please be careful. There is a lot of pressure in the spring. You want to make sure that you're lifting it straight up and that it doesn't start falling over one way or the other. If it does, you need to go back and center it up again. Otherwise, it'll pop out on you. So thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. And thanks for subscribing as well. And we'll see you next time.